Love that you brought up Jolene. If you're new here, welcome. I'm a pro when it comes to RV renovations and vintage campers, and I name each and every one of them, including Jolene. Jolene is a 1955 Aljoa Sportsman. Oh, beautiful. You don't find a lot of those anymore. Now, Jolene is a passion project of mine, and I picked her up a couple years ago, and she has been slowly getting repaired. Like, when I say slowly, I mean slowly. And here's why. Because she is my personal baby and my passion project, I've had like an influx of clients, like new clients and projects that have come into play, and Jolene keeps just getting pushed to the back burner a little bit further. But I have set aside the next couple months just to work on Mikey and Jolene because baby girl needs some attention. So she doesn't quite have an end result yet. But I promise it's gonna happen soon, like very soon. And here she is. Be sure to follow along for her rebuild and transformation.